In this very short video, I am going to show you step by step exactly how to vote for the HIP 39 redenomination of HNT. Hey everybody, quick video here, step by step how to vote for the most recent active vote on heliumvote.com. There'll be a link below. When you get to the site, you will see this, active votes here, HIP 39 redenomination. You will want to click that. Here is some information. More details to the GitHub is available at this link here. If you go down, you would have to vote for obviously one of the choices. For redenomination, against redenomination. Either one will have a drop down and show you a QR code, as you can see here. Now, you will go to your Helium app, open the Helium app, it'll bring you to the home screen here. You will then click on the wallet button at the bottom of your screen. It will bring you to your wallet screen. You will then click the blue wallet with the arrow going out to send HNT. Once you're on this screen, you will have to select the recipient address, in which case you click into there and you'll see the QR code at the top right of that box. You will click that and it will open your camera. Then you point it at the redenomination you would like and you click send or burn HNT, whichever is available. And that is it. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more.